Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another proper tour with your host, Alex Maloney, aka America's Realtor. Look at that flag, y'all. Now that is a flag. God bless America. And today I welcome you into COVENTRY Homes, and this is the downstairs office with these nice French doors. And in the front here, we have this balcony with some soaring ceilings. And it looks like right here, we have a laundry room connected to, this is a walk-in closet. This is the master closet. Yep, this is the master closet. We're going to take a different route today, y'all. So, this is the master bath, double vanity, garden tub with the stand-up shower, rainfall shower head. I always want to open this when I can so you can get the full experience of the home. And here we have some bay windows in the master bedroom. So very spacious, as you can tell. Very nice. And please be sure to hit that thumbs up and smash that subscribe button to join the YouTube family of America's Realtor. I would love to have you come aboard my ship, the real estate ship. And we do indeed sail the 7 seas. And that's just how we roll around here, y'all. So saddle up. And also, if you are looking to purchase a home in the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com and fill out an inquiry form, or you can visit my Instagram at America's Realtor and do the same thing, and I will get back to you as soon as I can to assist you on your home hunt. So right there, we just saw the in-law suite. And here we have the awesome chef's kitchen. Double oven with the microwave. And we have the gas stove. Double stacked cabinets. I love when they add that light in there on the top. Gives it a lot of character. Here we have stacked bay windows. Sliding glass door, soaring ceilings. Your dining area or breakfast nook. That one appears to be more of a dining area, but make it whatever you want. And please, as always, let me know if you would live in a place like this in the comments below. So that room right there, guessing. So this is a half bath. So that could be the media room, I'm guessing, or a game room. We'll have to wait till we go upstairs to see what that room could be. I'd personally make it a media room. I like when the media room's downstairs. It's way easier to entertain that way. But let's take another look here at this large island. I love that. And that is the master bedroom right there, y'all. And let's head upstairs. Great modern spiraling staircase with this awesome lighting fixture. See that everywhere now, I feel like. So popular. And this is the game room or hangout room. Here's a bird's eye view of the front door. And like I mentioned, this is in Windsong Ranch, and this is COVENTRY Homes. And the starting price for these houses are going to be, especially for this model home, they start at $640 on other floor plans, but this floor plan starts at $970,000 and goes up from there. And obviously this is the model home, so it's decked out completely. So if you want something like this, it's going to run you about probably that 1.2 mark, give or take, maybe a little bit more, depending on what you put in it, upgrade wise. And this model is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 4,055 square feet. As you can see, it's a 2-story home. And where those offices are that we saw previously, you can fit 3 garages right there. So it's a 3-car garage in this specific plan. And y'all, if you haven't toured this community, I definitely recommend it. You can always give me a shout and I'll come meet you here and show you around, but definitely encourage you to check out the lagoon. It is a 5-acre, crystal clear, Caribbean-like community pool. It's huge. People do a lot of water sports in there, such as like paddle boarding, kayaking, and stuff like that. Also has a dock, so you can jump off if you want. Do not encourage you to dive. Definitely feet first. But it is a main attraction to this neighborhood. That is what they're really known for, is that lagoon. And it also has another community pool in the front of the neighborhood with some tennis courts and an amenity center. So it is a full-blown master plan community. One of my favorite neighborhoods in all of DFW. And like I was saying, this is Prosper, Texas, and it is zoned to Prosper ISD. And let's head out in the backyard. So we have a nice, spacious backyard, covered patio, built-in grill, a lot of area for entertaining out here. Can fit a nice sized pool back here if you ever wanted to. And it is raining a little bit, but I'm going to go out here for y'all because I'm that dedicated to the game in a second. I just want you all to soak in this covered patio part. And if you guys ever need a trusted pool vendor, please reach out to me. I got a list of trusted ones I've used for a lot of my clients and always get great reviews. And that is the end of our property tour. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour, brought to you by Alex Maloney at COVENTRY Homes in Prosper, Texas at Windsong Ranch. And I will see y'all on the next one.